This video is sponsored by Lifesaver Mobile. We stop distracted driving for your employees. To import zones into your database, come over here to Productivity, Zones, Import Zones. These are the different formats of Excel table layouts available for various import types. Here's an example of what an Excel document would look like for one of the import formats. Note here that you'll fill out either the circle diameter or the square width column depending on which shape you'd like. The import tool will ignore the header row, so we'll just leave it in. Now that we've seen the data and made sure that the format looks good, we can upload our file, and then we'll see the screen that tells us how many valid zones are ready to be imported. If we click this line, we can expand it to see all the details about the zones we're going to import. If there are any here we don't want for some reason, we can uncheck them, and then upload the rest by clicking this button. Once the upload is finished, you can navigate to the map and zoom in to see that the zones have indeed been imported.